800 years old man-made islands beats modern Dubai. There's one such city where the locals are afraid to go. It is believed that if anyone tries to go here or even tries to talk about this city, they may perish. This city, Nazarene Nan Madal, is hidden under the forest in the east of Pompeii Island. To visit here, one needs to get permission from the king of Pompeii Island and then complete a specific ritual, a mask made from the roots of the carver plant. A one-of-a-kind drink is served after being rubbed on the stone. It is said that after performing all of these rituals, the spirits of Nan Madal will not attack. Even after entering the forest, Nan Madal cannot be seen entirely because mangrove and its roots have totally hidden the structures placed here. This is the largest structure in the area, built 800 years ago with the help of massive stone pillars and hidden deep within the dense forest. Some stones can weigh as much as 70 tons. Lifting such a large weight with today's latest machinery can be difficult, so imagine how this work would have been done 800 years ago in the queens of the Pacific Ocean. The most important factor is that the entire surrounding area is covered in coral reefs and forests, thus these types of stones do not exist here. So, where did these stones come from, and how could they have been lifted? People tell stories about this place, claiming that it was created by magic. Figuring out the real reason is difficult since there are no written records, no history or proof, just myths that have evolved throughout time. Going down the mangroves was necessary for exploring the secret city, but it was too difficult to do physically. So, technology came to the rescue. A drone equipped with LiDAR scanning equipment was used to scan the region. LiDAR waves can go through trees and record back when they hit solid structures. The LiDAR data helped create a 3D model, revealing around 90 structures under the trees, including homes and ritual places. There was even an 800-year-old stone for making a traditional drink called sarcome. Further examination revealed each structure was on a man-made island with a stone wall to protect it from sea waves. It is incredible that mankind without today's advanced technology built this city of man-made island 800 years ago. It makes you question if they had a superhuman strength or if magic and spirits play a role. Despite our modern tech, even the world islands of Dubai are returning to the sea. While Nan Madal's settlers created a whole city on man-made islands centuries ago. It is surprising that the rocks used in Nan Madal weighed over 700,000 tons. But where did all the hefty basalt rocks come from? A hidden quarry containing basalt rocks is located in Pompeii Island, some 18 kilometers distant. Now the mystery is about how this heavy stones weighing 5 to 70 tons each, were brought to Nan Madal Island 18 kilometers away for the quarry. The problem is, that there are high mountains between the quarry and the Nan Madal, make it impossible to carry such heavy stones overland. The only way might be that the stones were somehow taken to the ocean from the quarry, placed in boats on the other side of the island, and then sailed all the way around to the Nan Madal Island. To prove this theory, the seafloor and Nan Madal were examined. Gold was searched through scanning. At a depth of 300 feet, some objects were scanned which probably did not appear to be a part of the floor in any way. It was found that some pillars of basalt rock were also present on the ocean floor which may have been lost during transport. These pillars had fallen into the sea. This is proof that such heavy stones were brought to Nan Madal through the sea only. While studying Nan Madal, researchers kept finding surprising things. They believed that if people lived here, even back then, they could move those super heavy stones by sea. This suggests they might have traveled to other islands too. They checked an island called Atoll and found pillars and many sarcostones. This shows that the people who did this were not just regular folks but highly skilled individuals who could navigate the ocean waves and transport heavy cargo, even 800 years ago. When the researchers and historians surveyed Pompeii Island, they discovered a stone outside with various sculptures on the stones. These engravings are now around 2,000 years old and include a unique symbol. The surprising thing is that a similar place is found 3,600 kilometers away today. The same symbol has been found in New Caledonia. This means whoever made this symbol found sea travel easy, even without GPS or advanced equipment. Many centuries ago, they built man-made islands with big structures on them. This makes it clear that the ruling elite of that era lived here, but till now no one knows where they went after leaving such a big system, whether there was any natural disaster here or they got lost in the ocean.